extend my welcome especially to the first graders and all the new students, for all of you are entering exciting new chapters of life. But most of all, welcome back, seniors. We're almost done with our time here at Porter-Gaud, so keep pushing. Don't forget to remember to set good examples for the rest of these students. And I hope you are all excited for this school year, because it truly looks like a promising one.
It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny, actually. Schooling, giving us activity after menial task, spinning us round and round and round, honing our vision to seeing the innards of a blurry sphere, along with the causes of World War II and the structure of a protein, amidst laughter and conversation about nothing. So what does jump to mind while contemplating the nature of Porter-Gaud School, or whatever this brick-walled, lawn-washed, oak-cradled, sun-soaked, bench-laden, desk-littered, student-strewn place is? What makes me and you realize our time in this community? The moments upon moments of stretching stems and reaching roots. Is not the perpetual trickle of laughter, lost in the sound abyss of forgotten noises, nor conversations, one after another, memorable or forgotten, nor tasks, grass, nor donated bricks bearing names of buried souls, nor even the century-old oaks, more beautiful than Eros himself. Rather, it is that time of solitude when I, the student, lie face up, book in outstretched arm, reading not lines of the text, but rather that patch of zealous blue sky, threaded and braided by leaves of dogwood, reading the insides of my eyelids, listening to breezes as soft as the divine touch, winds reciting the lost songs of children growing older, lulled in and out of dreams by the melodies of distant warblers. This place, this garden of knowledge, waltzing each of us into blossoms of our own, helping our hearts grow deeper, dancing to the warbler's song. Beautiful, really. Laughing at the beauty of it all. And after all,
again to our 146th year. I'm so pleased to see you all out here this morning. I realize it's been a very busy and long week, although a short one for you all. Just a week ago, many of you might have been still on vacation with your families, on the beach, or maybe at home finishing your summer reading. One of the nice things about school is that we have clear beginnings and endings, and each time we begin, we get to start anew. We get to hit the reset button. We get to start with a clean slate. Teachers have new students, new classes, new advisees. You have new courses, new teachers, new responsibilities, and certainly new opportunities. What remains the same year after year is our hope for you and in you, that you will do your best in all of these opportunities, that you will try new things and reach beyond your comfort zone. And this is a safe environment for you to do that. You have wonderful teachers who want to see you succeed. They are your coaches, your mentors, your advisors. And I'm confident that you will never again in your life be in a place where you are more cared for and where so many people care about your welfare and so many people are looking out for you and wanting the very best for you. And at the end of this year, you should be able to say that you did your best. You tried new things, you tried new opportunities, and that you supported your fellow students in their own endeavors. And then we can acknowledge that the beginning and the end do matter, but what matters most is what you do with your talents along the journey. Have a great year, and go Cyclones.
Please bow your heads. O Lord, may our words be full of truth and kindness, our actions gracious and honorable, our thoughts unselfish and charitable, our character noble and upright, and our habits virtuous, that our school